my goodness, this is so cool. This is actually free for a room. It's Gallery of Legends.
Universal Monsters.
Uh-oh.
Wow, so busy. Yes, I'm glad we came at this time.
If you guys ever been on the Mummy ride, you'll know that the light changes depending on his mood during the ride.
I didn't know that. Wait, what?
We don't walk in this way. Want any pictures?
That would be cool though. Oh, they're watching though.
No!
Okay, your hair got a different color.
Oh, dude, that is cool. The teeth.
Yeah. Nothing really will jump out and scare at you. It's about 7 or 8 different places.
I want to play that music too.
Okay.
I mean, I can also
Wait. That's really cool.
You can use the lantern as a prop in your photo.
Okay.
If you want to do that as well, that's what that here is for. Behind the scenes, since you guys have kind of like a
On the way there.
might be short enough where I can have. I want to break it though. Okay.
Oh my god. Now he's gonna do it.
I'm too
You're too scared?
I'm too fat.
It's all the props.
It's all good. The Mummy and the other, and then Dracula, which are the main 3. All of the other ones that you'll see for the Gallery of Legends, we have more
Oh, you look cool. You can do that.
Come here. Do it.
Guys, if you have a room key,
And are at Cabana Bay, come to floor 2
Yes.
by the lobby
yeah.
and come check this out. They have a lot of like different cool
Like Instagram
things.
walls.
Yeah, like Instagram walls or videos or reels on TikTok. It's just so cool. Nobody's in here, so
No.
like it's probably like 8 something at night. And it starts at 2-ish, I think.
Yeah. And there's only three, I can't do 3, see, it looks weird. But anyway, 3 scenes. You had the Mummy, you had the vampire, and then you also
And
have
Dracula, werewolf.
Dracula. Oh yeah, Dracula, and then you have the werewolf. But it's really cool. You can do like little interactive stuff too. It's really neat.
It's so fun.
Yeah, I mean,
They're really cool. The team members are cool to talk to. They're like, do this or do that, and then we do it.
oh, try this.
Yeah, it's really cool.
But the way the lights are hitting too, because you can actually catch a shadow.
You're supposed to get
Oh,
you're supposed to be getting that instead of the regular wall.
but yeah, it's really cool. It's really neat. But there's more people coming in. We just wanted to get, you know,
You have
this
to
is really
do this.
cool.
It's so cool. Like if you
Yeah.
have an extra 20, 30 minutes or anything, or if you're staying here visiting people, like come check this out.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll probably put more pictures and stuff if we have, because we took some more.
We did. It was a lot of fun.